Hey everyone, it's Sean, and welcome to your fourth Autodesk Fusion 360 tutorial. And this will be our last CAD exercise. I think you guys have got the basics down, and now it's really just a matter of making your own designs and experimenting with all sorts of different other features on Fusion. One thing I didn't cover last tutorial was I had kind of left it off like this, and in which the mirror tool actually created two different bodies. And whenever you run into this issue, just make sure you go to Modify and go to Combine. Okay, and Combine will let you select two targets. Okay, and then you can go ahead and join them together. Hit OK, and you can see they're all merged into a single body. Okay, and that just helps us, because if we were to have 3D printed that, it would have separated the two parts by a very small amount, and so now this is a single part. Okay, all right, so got us a brand new part right here with a bunch of dimensions. Let's go ahead and try to make it. Okay, new design. Let me just go ahead and save that old design. Practice number 2. Okay, all right, so we got this part right here. Let's go ahead and we will try to do as many of these features in a sketch, all in one sketch. So first we are going to create a rectangular prism. So the width of this is 72 and the height of this is 90. So clicking on here, 72, 90. Okay, and we have that. Okay, so the next thing we should do is we can go ahead and try to do this in one sketch. And the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to first create this inner circle right here, and from what I can see, we're trying to figure out, so this says that it's 36 from there, so I'm going to indicate using a line and the construction, and I'm going to go 36 this way. Okay, and so that's actually at the center point, so I'm just going to leave that there, and we're just going to make a center point line from here to here. Okay, and then the next line is for 48. Okay, so if I go 48, enter, and then I'm just going to make my intersection from here to here, just like that. Okay, so now this is where we can make our circle. I'm going to get out of construction, make our center point right there, and from this it says a diameter of 24. 24, and enter. Okay, and then we have this outer circle, in which that's going to be done with a 30, a radius of 30, so that means the diameter is 60. Okay, awesome. We have a lot of features going. Okay, so now we got 30. This one wants to go 30 up. So we are going to use a construction line here, going up by 30. Okay, go ahead and bring this closer so I can see it. And then we need to go out here to the intersection, just like they have right there. And we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm just going to follow this from here to here. Okay, looking so good so far. So I'm going to do this top portion right here. So I'm just going to go to construction. I'm going to do our 24. Just like that. Drag that out here. And I'm going to get out construction from here to here. Follow it here to here. Okay, so got that. Right, let's see, I can highlight my regions just like that. All good. Alright, so let's try to get this bottom one right here. So this is saying that it goes up by 6, and then its width is 50. Yep. This is 50. This is 50, and this is 6. Bam. Okay, so we pretty much have all the features that we need for the moment, and we will do is you can actually see this goes up by 25. So that's going to be the first extrude we actually do. So I'm trying to do all of this in one, but this is not something you actually have to do. So I'm going to say 25, just like that. I'm going to finish sketch, and that should be everything in one sketch. So now if I go ahead and do an extrude, I'm going to extrude this out by 145, actually negative 145, just like that. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to get our sketch back. I'm going to add some more stuff. So we need to get rid of this section for 72. Oops, selected the wrong one. Get rid of it for negative 72. Boom. Okay, so we got that feature done. The next feature, so we need to add this block that we don't have right here. So I'm going to do another extrude. Get the whole thing in there, just like that. And you can see that the width of this is 36. Make negative 36, just like that. Okay, I'm going to do an extrude to get rid of this section. So here, 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 here. You can see that this is 12. So it goes in by 12, so negative 12 is what we need to do. Just like that. Okay, last and not least, actually we're going to have one more feature after this one. So we're going to have our center. We're going to go all the way to the back here, all the way through. Hit OK. Okay, and that's everything we need. Oops, we did forget this one right here. So, you see how this section's still left over? I'm just going to go back one. And I think this is the feature. Yep, I'm going to right click, hit edit feature, add that in there, just like that. Hit OK. Bam. Get rid of the sketch. Alright. Now, we have pretty much everything we need except this slot right here. So let's go ahead and finish that off and create a sketch. We can see that we're supposed to go 24 and then half of 24. Okay, so that's 36. So I'm just going to go ahead and check this whole length, and that's 36. So at the midpoint, here's our 36 line, here to here. Okay, so it says I go in by 50. Just like that. Okay, now I got a radius of 12. Okay, so I'm going to get out of construction. I'm in the circle tool. I'm going to say 12. Just like that. Actually, you see it says radius of 12, so the actual diameter is 24. Just like that. Alright, I'm going to go from edge to edge. Boom. Meet right there. Boom. Meet right there. Finish that off. And then we're going to do an extrude. Except we are going to do to object. And then cut all the way through. Hit OK. Bam. Okay. And there we go. We pretty much have the whole object we want. Everything's modeled up. And our CAD skills are pretty refined. Alright. Let's go ahead and finish this tutorial off, and we'll go ahead and we'll join you in the next video where we'll actually go ahead and make the 2D sketch of this. Okay? Alright, I'll see you in the next one.